Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today, we're going to talk about Myro, the latest and greatest coming from the team on their official X page. We're going to check the overall sentiment on CoinMarketCap, and we're also going to do some technical analysis at the end of the video. So make sure you guys watch to the very end. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, tap into the Money Bags Mansion down below where I'll be hosting AMAs and whatnot like that. But let's start off with the latest and greatest from the team. Make sure you guys give them a follow at Myro, SOL, all capitalized. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Right here, we got me after receiving all of the JUP airdrop Myro. So loading up on Myro for sure. This is exactly how you got to be right here. Trusting the process. Holding Myro is easy. The team has proven themselves. Stay calm and accumulate. We know what's on the horizon. I'm going to retweet this right here. This is fire. If you guys can also go hard on this video. Let's get over 100 likes. Almost every single Myro video has been getting over 100 likes. That's why these videos keep coming out. You guys are vibing with me. I'm vibing with you guys. I've been loading up on every dip of Myro because this is that billion-dollar meme Solana project. This has 2021 vibes. Let me know down below if you guys feel the same way. So my conviction in Myro remains the same. This is what started it all for me in Solana. I truly believe $1 billion market cap comes quick. I also believe this right here. So let's like and retweet this. I also have them same feelings. This is that dog that's going to do it for us. Those who know what happened with Shiba Inu, those who know what happened with Doge, this is our opportunity to snatch up one of those times where we get to tell our story. And our story is going to be about that good boy Myro. So this ride has been insane. And it's about to get even crazier. Take some time to touch some grass, buckle up, Myro. This is exactly what it's about. Touch some grass. That's something that people say, when you're jumping from somewhere high, you grab some grass so you don't hurt your legs and you be able to stand right up. So big shout out to Danny right there, holding it down for the Myro community. Let's go ahead and like this as well. Myro simply taking a breather to release the Jeets. Absolutely. Let's like and retweet this. This is what we're doing right here when it comes to Myro. Let's like and retweet this. Go hard. I'm gonna post the X post. Big shout out to Rodney. Rodney's rocking hard with Myro. Myro millionaires incoming. I believe that Myro will print more millionaires. That is a fact. So make sure you guys come over here and engage. Engagement is one of the main things that's going to continue to make us climb to new heights as Myro continues to push. This is the article we're going to check out. Of course, we're always going to do some fundamentals as well. But looking at the overall sentiment on CoinMarketCap, we see Myro investment in real project, not the same meme coins are only FOMO. Myro is pushing hard. This one really has some serious potential. Myro Binance rumors will be bullish. Absolutely. I'm bullish on Myro. Relax, folks. This will form a new all-time high next week. Let me know if you guys believe that, is it by next week that Myro can push all-time highs? Like I said before, when the markets are greedy, it's time to be fearful. When the markets are fearful, it's time to be greedy. Right now that everybody's shooken up and they're scared, this is where you load up so you can take the most benefits and, reap the benefits of having that type of mentality. Of course, not financial advice, do your own research, but people selling their bags of other stuff to load up on Myro. I've been loading up on Myro nonstop. Some people are going to be bearish, of course. Those are people who sold their bags early. Myro, nice bargain price. I agree. This is loading up on a dip. Some people, they're all part of the hype and they're right with us at all-time highs. And the minute it takes its first dip, they're already shooken out. I mean, this is the all-time high of Myro. This is a healthy pullback right here. And we'll talk about that and these prices right here when we do technical analysis, and we'll zoom out and check it out as well and see where we're at. But when we zoom out, I mean, it's just a healthy pullback. We can see it on this one as that one loads up. This is exactly what you want right here. This is that area. And we're holding on to that 16, it goes 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, and so forth. These are psychological barriers, and we can see we pull back to that 15, 16 cents zone, and we're holding on to that. We're pushing right back up. So that's on the monthly chart. And if you look on the daily, we're pushing up. We're going to do some deep dive technical analysis on the price overall. We've been here before, right? We got down here, and now we're a little bit higher, and we're pushing up. This is on the 4-hour chart. So when we zoom out, we're looking great on Myro. But we got this right here. We got dipping amid market volatility. The overall market has been dipping, right? We've seen Bitcoin prices dipping. We see ETH. There's been fluctuation. They're shaking things all up and around to try to shake people out of their positions. Myro, which began as a tribute to Raj, the co-founder of Solana, we had an increase. We covered this before. They're actually kind of repeating this, but this is what I want to go over right here. Analysts are pointing a slight resistance as the bullish momentum pushing this token to the top of the centralized cryptocurrency list dwindles. Myro failed to cross the resistance of that 25 cents 97 supply zone, forming a critical support zone at 20 cents. The token market value has dipped below the 1.8 mark, leaving investors wondering if this is the end of its surge. Support for Myro has dropped to 18 cents, and its current price indicators signify a bullish path, leading to positive market sentiment around the token's potential growth. I think that, this is just a healthy pullback. We see the community still vibing. We're still getting over 100 likes like we're most likely going to do on this video. And this is a time to take advantage of the fire sale that's happening right now as far as the price on Myro. And that's the way that I'm looking at it when I'm looking at the price of Myro, of course, right? Let's fix this really quick. Let's get that auto fix. So this is where we're at. Let's layer the chart down. Let's work our way down because I know you guys want to see the shorter time frames. You guys, keep asking me, am I still bullish on Myro? Yeah, we've been here before. This is okay. We're making support. Now we're starting to make higher lows at that. But, let's go down to the 30-minute chart. We can see that we've been here doing our thing in this area before at these prices on this 15 cents, that halfway point. Now we're holding on to that. We're in this channel between 16 cents and 17 cents, but we're just consolidating. I believe that the prices are going to turn around. It's around close to the end of the month. People are going to see what Myro's about. We're going to shake some Jeets out, but it won't take much to get right back to all-time highs and pushing to, that $300 million market cap. Right now, we're sitting at $163 million market cap, but our holder count continues to grow, 23,058 as far as holder counts. The volume on Myro, 4.2 million. You got to put some respect on it. The volume is still there, and it's going to pick up even more. Liquidity is 2.1 on this one. So, we're consolidating between 15.94 and 16.93. All we have to do is continue to break past this 16.93. You guys want to see FOMO kick back in? We have to break past this 19.28, and we'll see that. But we just got to build that buy wall, and I think this is the opportunity for those who believe that Myro is truly that billion-dollar project to load up. We're not that far away. It actually happens right after 3 or 4, even getting to that $500 million market cap, that you actually start to see the FOMO kick in, and the billion really comes really fast. It's just kind of getting over that first hurdle from that $500 million market cap and down. But after you pass that threshold, FOMO gets activated. The whales come in. We haven't even seen all the whales, so we still have a lot of potential. We'll layer this chart up and see how it's going. We see that resistance on that 16 going to 17 cents. We'll layer this up a little bit more. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, tap into the Money Bags Mansion down below. It's a link, free Telegram, where I talk about Myro all the time. So these are our ranges right now for those who are trading Myro. 15 cents going over to that 17 cents. This is the range. But it won't take much for us to get right back into some bullish momentum, the markets to pick right back up, the sentiment to get right back where it needs to be, and we'll be chasing that $300 million market cap all over again. So if you guys want that to happen, help the YouTube algorithm push this video by smashing the like button, subscribe. Go crazy on the X post after I post this video. I will make an X post, and not just my videos, all YouTube videos, all posts about Myro, because we all got a bag of Myro and we all got to work for it. So continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.